morning students. I am Hamid Hussain and welcome to our channel जामिया कोचिंग सेंटर. ओके, सो टुडे हम लोग ट्रिगोनोमेट्री के कुछ इंट्रोडक्शन के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. ओके, सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज ट्रिगोनोमेट्री. सो ट्रिगोनोमेट्री इज द स्टडी ऑफ रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द साइड्स एंड एंगल्स ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल. किसी ट्रायंगल के एंगल्स और साइड्स के बीच का जो रिलेशनशिप होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड ट्रिगोनोमेट्री. ओके, सो हम लोग जो 10th क्लास में डिस्कस करेंगे दैट विल बी अबाउट राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. फॉर राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल के लिए हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे. ओके, सो इन दिस there we will study different trigonometric identities. okay, so हम लोग जो इनके बीच की जो रिलेशन निकालेंगे वो विद द हेल्प ऑफ डिफरेंट ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटीज. ओके, सो इसमें हम लोग किसी भी एक एक्यूट एंगल के रिस्पेक्ट में बात करेंगे. ओके, सो कहते हैं इन दिस चैप्टर वी विल स्टडी सम रेशियो ऑफ द साइड्स ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल राइट एंगल. In this chapter, we will study some ratio of the sides of a right triangle with respect to its acute angle. एक acute angle के respect में हम लोग बात करेंगे. Clear? So, what are different trigonometric ratio? So, first of all, we will try to know what are basics of a triangle, of a right angle triangle. So, this one is a right angle. So, the side opposite to the right angle is hypotenuse. And the side adjacent to acute angle is called base or side adjacent to angle, and this will be the side opposite to the angle. Okay, that is side opposite to angle, or you can write perpendicular. Okay, so in this chapter we will study about different trigonometric identities. So that trigonometric identities will be sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant and cotangent. Okay, so sine, if this is A, B, C, so sine A will be sine A, side opposite to the angle A divided by hypotenuse, or perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. So what is perpendicular? BC divided by hypotenuse is AC. Okay, cos A is base by hypotenuse, or you can say side adjacent to the angle A divided by hypotenuse. Okay, that will be AB divided by AC. Next one is tan. Tan is the ratio of perpendicular divided by base, or sine A, side opposite to the angle divided by side adjacent to the angle. Okay, that will be BC divided by AB. Okay, next one is cot. Okay, the opposite of sine is cosec. Cosec is reciprocal of sine A, that will be hypotenuse divided by perpendicular, that is AC divided by BC. Next one is sec A. Sec A is the reciprocal of cos. It will be hypotenuse divided by base, that will be AC. AC is hypotenuse and base is AB. And next one is cot. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. It will equals to base by perpendicular. Base is AB and perpendicular is BC. Okay, so these are the different trigonometric identities. Okay, or you can say trigonometric ratio. So there is another relation, tan A equals to sine A divided by cos A. You can easily say tan A equals to perpendicular by base, or sine A perpendicular hypotenuse divided by base by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse and hypotenuse will get cancelled and you will get P by B. So tan A equals to sine A divided by cos A. Okay, so in this chapter we will study different formulas or different terms. So we are mentioning all that term. So इस चैप्टर में these were the basic terms. Okay, and इसके अलावा हम लोग अलग अलग एंगल्स पे की वैल्यूज़ भी देखेंगे। साइन, कॉस, टैन, कॉसेक, सेक and cot. So for different values, for 0 degree, for 30 degree, for 45 degree, for 60 degree and for 90 degree. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. 0, 1 by root 3, 1 root 3 and 1 by 0 goes to infinite. Cosec. Cosec will be the reciprocal of sine. 1 by 0 infinite or not defined. 2 root 2, 2 by root 3 and 1. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2 and 1 by 0 equals to not defined. Next, cot. So cot is the reciprocal of tan. So 1 by 0 not defined. Root 3, 1, 1 divided by root 3 and 1 by the infinite equals to 0. So these were the different values of these trigonometric identities. Okay, there are some another relation. Actually in this chapter we will study only the first quadrant. Okay, so sine 90 degree minus a equals to cos a. It means sine 30. Sine 30 can be written as sin 90 minus 60. So sine 30 equals to cos 60, and you can easily say sine 30 equals to cos 60. So sine 90 minus a equals to cos a. Cos 90 minus a equals to sin a. Tan 90 minus a equals to cot a. Cot 90 degree minus a equals to tan a, and sec 90 degree minus a equals to cosec a, and cosec 90 degree minus a sec a. And there are some other relationship. Sin square a plus cos square a equals to 1. Sec square a minus tan square a equals to 1. फॉर विच वैल्यू, अगर जो है वैल्यू ऑफ एंगल जो है वो 0 डिग्री से 90 डिग्री के बीच लाई करे, देन दिस विल बी एप्लीकेबल. कॉसेक स्क्वायर ए माइनस कॉट स्क्वायर ए इक्वल्स टू 1. यहाँ भी वही है कंडीशंस, 0 डिग्री टू 90 degree. So these were the some basics formulas that we'll use in this chapter. Okay, so now हम लोग we will solve some questions. So example number 1, given that tan a equals to 4 by 3, find the other trigonometric ratio of the angle a. So what is given? Tan a equals to 4 divided by 3. So what is formula for tan? Tan is the ratio of perpendicular by base. It means the ratio of perpendicular और base, यानी कि perpendicular और base का जो ratio है वो 4:3 है. Okay, so this will be the 4k and this will be the 3k. So now we can find the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse हम लोग find out कर सकते हैं by the applying Pythagoras theorem. Okay, 4k square plus 3k square equals to 16k square plus 9k square 25k square, that will 5k. Hypotenuse equals to 5k. Now हम लोग easily बाकी जितनी अदर क्वांटिटीज है वी कैन फाइंड द वैल्यूज. सो sin A. Sin A will be perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. What is perpendicular? 4k divided by 5k. That is 4 divided by 5. And cos A will be base by hypotenuse. So what is the base? 3k. Hypotenuse 5k. That is 3 by 5. So we have found found all the values. हम लोगों ने सारे वैल्यूज को कैलकुलेट कर लिया. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, that is too much easy. Example third, that is also very easy. In this question, they have given AB equals to 29 unit and BC equals to 21 unit. So we can find the value of AC by applying Pythagoras theorem. उसके बाद अप्लाई करने के बाद we will find the value of cos theta and sin theta, and we will note the values of cos theta and sin theta in this question, and we will get the values. Example number 4, in a right triangle ABC, right angle at B, if tan A equals to 1, then verify that 2 sin A into cos A equals to 1. हमें क्या करना है, किसको वेरीफाई करना है, तो that is too much easy. Tan A equals to 1. Tan A equals to perpendicular by base equals to 1. It means perpendicular equals to base. In this triangle in which perpendicular is equals to base. Okay, that is both is k. So the hypotenuse equals to k root 2 by applying Pythagoras theorem. Now left hand side is 2 sin A into cos A. So 2 sin A is the perpendicular by hypotenuse, k divided by k root 2 into cos A equals to perpendicular by base by hypotenuse. K and k will get cancelled, k and k will get cancelled. 2 divided by root 2 into root 2, 2 equals to right hand side. Proved. So that was too much easy. Okay, next example. In triangle OPQ, right angle at P, OP equals to 7 centimeter and OQ minus PQ equals to 1 centimeter. Then we have to determine the value of sin Q and cos Q. So how can we find the value? OP is given 7 meter and OQ minus PQ equals to 1 centimeter. So by applying the Pythagoras theorem, we know OQ square equals to OP square plus PQ square, and OQ equals to 1 plus PQ square. Okay, so in this whole equation only PQ is unknown. Then we have found the value of PQ, and when we have found the value of PQ equals to 25 centimeter and it is given OP equals to 7 centimeter. So we have to find the value of sin and cos. So what will the value of OQ? OQ is the 1 plus PQ. It will become 26. 1 minute. PQ equals to PQ equals to 24. So this value will be 1 time more greater, 25. So sin Q equals to perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. That is perpendicular, 24 divided by hypotenuse, 25. So sin Q, if we are finding the sin O, then that value will be the 24 divided by 25. We are finding the sin Q, so we are taking this angle. So this will be the side adjacent to the angle, and this will be the side opposite to the angle. So this will be work as perpendicular 7 divided by 25, and cos Q equals to, this will work as a base 24 divided by 25. So easy. There is exercise. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB equals to 24, BC equals to 7 centimeter. So we have to find, that is too much easy. You have to just find the value of, this is a right angle triangle. Okay, right angle at B, they have given the value of AB 24, this one is the BC 7 centimeter, the third one will be 25. By applying Pythagoras theorem, and then you can easily calculate the value of sin A, cos A, sin C, cos C. Okay, I am just solving this exercise 8.1. what is given? That it is right angle at B. So this one is AB and BC. AB is 24, BC is 7. So if this will become 24 square plus 7 square equals to 25. So sine A perpendicular by hypotenuse. So for sine A, this will be perpendicular, 7 divided by 25. Cos A, base by hypotenuse. Sine C, this will be as a perpendicular, 24 divided by 25. Cos C will be base by hypotenuse. So I hope कि आप लोगों को ये सारे क्वेश्चंस समझ में आ गया होगा. ओके. In the figure 8.3, find the tan P minus cot R. That is too much easy. You have to just find the value of base and you will get the value of tan P minus cot R. Sin A equals to 3/4. Calculate the cos A and tan A. That is too much easy. Given 15 cot A equals to 8 and find a sin A into sin A and sec A. Given question number 4. 15 cot A equals to 8. So cot A equals to 8 divided by 15. Now what is the value of cot? Base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse. Now you can find the value of perpendicular. That will be 15 square minus 8 square, 15 square. $225 minus 64, 12 minus 6 equals to 6. 5 minus 4, 1. Okay, 161. So square root of 161 will be 161. 1 1 ja 1 0 61. Okay. Question exercise 8.1. Question number 4. Okay, we have done the wrong, because cot A equals to base by perpendicular, base divided by perpendicular. Okay, so this one equals to 15 square plus 8 square equals to 225 square, 225 plus 64 equals to 4 plus 4, 9, 8 and 2, and this will become 17. Okay, now you can find the value of other quantities. Okay, then the so they have okay. Next thing is the we have already discussed the values of different trigonometric identities. So what is the application? They have the question, they have given the question. Okay, example 6. Example number 6. A, B, C. 30 degree, 5 centimeter. Okay. So they have given in triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB equals to 5 centimeter and angle ACB equals to 30 degree. And we have to find the value of other sides. So sin theta equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse sin 30 equals to 5 divided by AC, or the value of sin 30 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 equals to 5 by AC, or AC equals to 5 into 2 equals to 10 centimeter, and this one is 10 centimeter. So by applying Pythagoras theorem, you can find the value of BC, or by applying any trigonometric identities as cos 30. Cos theta equals to base by hypotenuse BC divided by AC, or BC equals to AC into cos 30. AC is 10 and cos 30. The value of cos 30 is root 3 divided by 2, become 5 root 3 centimeter. Okay. So by applying this theorem, or by applying these trigonometric identities, you can find the value of different values of sides. Okay. Thanks for watching. In the next part, we will solve some other questions.